Hello guys, how are you? I'm today here for new lecture from biology 11th with the topic 3 domain system of classification. Often children become confused. Three domain classification, who has done the original work on what he has done, Kerr whose. But it's true. Also Robert Whittaker worked on it, but he just proposed. But the actually work established by Kerr was he separated the group into the two categories like archaea, bacteria. On a major basis domain, it divided into archaea, bacteria, and eukarya. Archaea, consisting of prokaryotic cells, its main lack the true nucleus, but it has a genetic material like a nucleate, and it can be survive in extreme environment like hot waters, cold waters, salt lakes, etc. It included the example methogens, halophiles, etc. Second domain, bacteria. It can be found in every various environment like soil, water, human, gut. Example, E. coli. The last three domain, eukarya, it consisting of nucleus because we know that eukarya consisting of true nucleus and true cell membranes with organelles, and it consisting of the wide range of organism. Its example include the protist plants, animalia, fungi, etc. So guys, this system based on the differences like cell structure. How cell structure? Because we can observe it, we can describe prokaryotes and eukaryotic cell by their cell structure. Prokaryotic cells have not much modern organismatic system, but the eukaryotic have. We can genetic material. Second point is genetic material. Of course we can know about their evolutionary history, we can also know about their genetic categories, we can also know about that what organism, what it can be, from where it can be evaluated, we can know it. That last point is metabolism. Yes, we know that every organism have the different metabolism process, have different energy sources. So these characteristics help us to know about the evolutionary relationship, their geographical level on the earth. So student, today our topic is closed. Now we will stop it. Tomorrow we will meet with a new topic. So bye bye.